5 great rock songs for beginner, female presenting or female identifying singers. Now these songs will also work if you're a male or a male presenting or male identifying singer with a slightly higher voice. So if you are maybe a tenor or even an alto, you'll find all of these really easy as well. I love rock and roll, so put another dime in the jukebox, baby. Singing in the whole of your range, and for belting, which is a mixed technique that uses your head voice and your chest voice. Now in this tutorial I'm going to share with you some songs that are really great if you're a beginner and you're just learning how to sing rock. If you're a beginner and you're just making your way and learning how to use good vocal technique, the right vocal technique to protect your voice and so that you can have longevity as a singer. So this will work for you if you're a singer, performer, or a singer-songwriter who sings your own songs, or someone who sings other people's songs, covers, or songs that are written by other people. The first, the iconic I Love Rock and Roll by Joan Jett and the Blackhearts. I Love Rock and Roll is a great, strong anthem. Now Joan Jett has had romantic relationships with other females, and if you don't like the song being about a guy, change the gender, okay? Saw him standing there by the record machine, all right? Saw her, saw them. Whatever the pronouns, you can change them as you wish. Now, what's great about this song is that it really helps you to get that forward twang placement that we use in most rock singing. And it's easy to keep it there because the range is quite low. So even in the chorus sounds big. If you wanted to add volume, you can, but you can do it without having to force your voice. I love rock and roll, so put another dime in the jukebox, baby. Now, the challenge with this song is the diction. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. Come and take some time and dance with me. Now, the other thing is that Joan Jett is a great singer and she uses a lot of other vocal embellishments. So she uses fry, she uses growl, and she uses the kind of raspy distortion. You don't want to do that straight away. So learn the song clean. Just get the notes, get the forward placement, get the diction, and then once you've got that, you can add the other stuff on top. And if you're not sure how to use diction properly, after you've learned the forward placement and you're able to sing on pitch, after you've done that, then use this video that's going to pop up somewhere around here. Song number 2 for beginner rock singers, I'm Only Happy When It Rains by Garbage. So this was around in the early 90s. And it was everywhere, absolutely everywhere. You couldn't move for this song. It was almost probably as popular as What's Up by 4 Non Blondes. I'm only happy when it rains. And it's, again, there's a lot of forward placement. The vocal range is quite low, so it's really quite easy for you to grasp it. Pour your misery down. Okay, so you don't have to add all the vocal flips. So Shirley, I think her name is Shirley Manson, sings I'm only happy when it rains. She uses a lot of embellishments as well. So again, learn it clean, add the embellishments afterwards. Song number 3 for beginner rock singers who are female presenting or female identifying, Bring Me to Life by Evanescence. Now this uses a completely different vocal style. It's a more classical style. Amy Lee sings in that more classical style. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. So it's not twangy, it's not belty, it's not wake me up inside. You could, but if you're a beginner, it's going to be really difficult to sing this song like that because it is in a higher range. So it's a really good song for rock singers who are learning head voice. And I do recommend that all singers, including rock singers, even if you're not planning to use it a lot, then that you learn to sing in head voice because it gives you a really good foundation for singing in the whole of your range and for belting, which is a mixed technique that uses your head voice and your planning on belting. I do recommend that you learn how to use head voice properly, and Bring Me to Life is a great song for doing that with. If this this is helping you, remember to hit the like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. If you haven't already, why not? It takes a second and doesn't cost you a bean. And you can also become a member of this channel for more challenges and upcoming competitions and upcoming lives I'm going to be doing in the future. Song number 4, Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. This is a slower song. It's not quite as in your face, and it's quite the music is, I find, quite ethereal. Now there you go again, you say you want your freedom. I don't think that's the same key that Fleetwood Mac sing it. I think that's the Cause version, so please forgive me. But it's nice and low, and it doesn't really move a lot. Thunder only happens when it's raining. And in this song, there aren't a lot of embellishments. There's only really vibrato. But again, you want to sing it straight. Don't use the vibrato until you know how to do it, because most people are singing vibrato in their throat and using their throat muscles, and this causes fatigue and it gets in the way of your vocal technique. So if you're using the right technique and then you drop into a throaty vibrato, it's much harder to get the technique back. So learn it with the right technique first. Add the sexy stuff later, as I always say. And finally, song number 5, Pretend We're Dead by L7. Oh, I used to love I still do love L7. I used to really, really love L7 when I was in my teens. Really attitudey, without being very shouty. And again, a nice low range so that you can sing it quite easily. So even in the choruses, when we pretend that we're dead. So I added a hard R there, like they do in American accents. I cannot do an American accent, but you can sing it in your own accent. When we pretend that we're dead. And if you have a hard R, then use a hard R. So again, nice forward twang placement, and it's really easy to keep that placement when you're singing all of these songs apart from the Evanescence song. So really do learn that in head voice. If you're not sure what head voice is, then use this video that's going to pop up somewhere around here. So I hope that this has helped you to find some songs that can help you with your vocal development if you're a rock singer. Now, these songs will also work if you're a male or a male presenting or male identifying singer with a slightly higher voice. So if you are maybe a tenor or even an alto, you'll find all of these really easy as well. And if you're not, if you have a slightly higher voice, or even if you have a slightly lower voice, you can always find a backing track and change the key. So there are backing track companies out there where you can buy a backing track for about £2, so probably about $3, $3 American, and they change the key for you so that these songs are accessible for everyone. But if you want to sing them in the original key, then this should be fine for most people. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!